We are going to cover binary addition in this video. Let me show you the binary addition rules. The rules are: when you add 0 plus 0, it will give you 0. When 0 is added up with 1, the answer is 1. When 1 is added up with 0, it will give you 1. And look at the last step. When 1 is added up with 1, it will give you 0 with a carry of 1. I think you understand the above 3 steps, but the last one is a bit confusing. Since this is a binary addition, the sum or the carry will be 0 or 1 and nothing else. So there are only two possibilities, 0 and 1 only. Before starting with this binary addition, let me discuss you about the decimal addition first. I know that you all familiar with the decimal addition. Still I am showing you a process. We all know that a decimal number system contains 10 digits, that is starting from 0 up to 9. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the decimal digits. Suppose we want to add 6 with 8. That means we are going to do this operation 6 plus 8. Whenever there is an addition between two digits, it will give you a sum and a carry, or you can say a round. Before starting this addition, let me show you an odometer or a digital stopwatch. Look at this digital stopwatch. Here all digits are reset to 0. The rightmost digit will count from 0 to 9. After that, left digit next to it will increment to 1. That is, after completing a single round from 0 to 9, the left digit becomes 1. This means the count of left digit indicates that how many times the round took place. Look at the right digit, it starts counting from 0. So after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, after completing one round, the left hand side digit becomes 1. And again, the right hand side is completing another round. After that, the left digit will become 2. So this is how a digital stopwatch works. We will follow the same technique in this addition also. Now again return back to the addition. So here 6 is added up with 8. Look, I have pointed an arrow, a red arrow, to the digit 6. Plus 8 means we are going to move this pointer 8 steps downward. Again I am repeating, plus 8 means we are going to move this arrow 8 steps downward. Look very carefully, there are only 3 steps. As in a decimal number system, after 6 there are only 3 digits. That's why the arrow can move up to 3 steps. After that, it will again roll back to the first digit of the decimal, that is 0. And the step counting will be continued from there. Now look at the movement of the arrow. The arrow will go down 8 steps downward. Look what happened. First of all, it will move to the first step, that is 7, then 8, 9, then it will move back to the first digit of the decimal, that is 0, then it will end up to 4. This is the 8th step. Let me show you the process again. It will move down 8 steps downward. Look what happened. Step 1, step 2, step 3, then the first digit will be step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, and this is step 8. And the arrow stops at digit 4. After completing 9 or traversing 9, it moved to the next round. That is why the 6 plus 8, the round will be 1. And since the arrow stops at 4, that's why the sum is 4. So the round and the sum combines together to form 6 plus 8. So this is the technique how an addition performed. So this round count can be called as also carry. So what is about the binary addition? Look, in a binary number there are only 2 digits, 0 and 1. So when we add 0 with a 0, that's mean the control, or you can say an imaginary pointer, will move down 0 step downward. That's mean it will remain in this position. That's why the sum is 0. When you add 0 plus 1, that's mean the pointer will move down 1 step downward from 0, and that's why its sum is 1. When 1 is added up with 0, that's mean you are going to move the pointer 0 step downward from 1. That's mean there will be no movement. So it will remain in this position. So the answer will be 1. So when we are performing 1 plus 1, look this carefully. So when we are going to perform this 1 plus 1, what happened? Think a pointer is pointing to this digit 1. So when you are adding a 1 with this 1, the control will move down one step downwards. Since there are no more digits after this 1, the control will make a round or roll back to 0. And that's why we are saying the sum is 0. And since it is making a round, a single round, so the round is 1, or you can say the carry is 1. That's why I have written 1 plus 1 equal to the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. Now again, when you are adding 1 with this 1 0, what happens? 0 plus 1, look at the rules, 0 plus 1, this is 1, so it will become 1, and this 1 will come downward, so this is 1 1. So keep these rules in your mind and notice carefully when 2 1 is added up, the answer will be 1 0. 0 is the sum, 1 is the carry. When 3 1 is added up, it will give you 1 1. Now let me show you how to add two binary numbers. Let us take this example. Here 11101 will be added up with 10100. The rules are given at the left hand side for your reference. If I convert this 11101 to decimal, that means it will be 29. I think you know about the conversion of binary to decimal. If you forgot the conversion or don't know about this conversion, go and check my description box. The link of converting binary to decimal is given there. Now 10100 means 20 in decimal. These decimal number are not required in binary addition. It is just for our reference. Now let's start the addition. So look at the first column. This is 1, this is 0. So this one will be added up with 0. So what happens when 1 and 0 is added up? It will give you a 1 as sum. So here the sum will be 1. Now 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 means 0. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means sum is 0 and carry is 1. So sum will be written over here and the carry will be forwarded to the next column over here. Again I am repeating, when 1 is added up with 1, the sum is 0 and the carry will be forwarded to the next column. Now this one will be added up with this 1 and this is 0, so do not consider it. Add up these two digits. So again there are 2 1. So when 2 1s are added up, the sum is 0, carry is 1. So let me write down 0 over here and the carry will be forwarded to the next column. So whenever we get 3 1s added up together, it will give you 1 1. The sum will be 1 and the carry will be 1. So this is the final result of adding 11101 and 10100. Now if you convert this binary number to decimal, it will give you 49. For your reference, look, 29 plus 20 is 49. That's mean our addition is correct in all respect. Let me give you an exercise for your practice. Try to solve this and write the answer in the comment box. If you are right, I give you a like, and if you are wrong, I give you a down thumbnail. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.